Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about the augmented multiplication shortcut. So asterisk equal is a shortcut we can do to do the same thing that we did previously, where you have a variable and we want to assign that variable to that variable multiplied to a new number. So this is a shortcut way of writing your code than this. So for this exercise, it wants us to convert the assignments with A, B, and C to use the multiplication equal operator. So for this one, we can delete this and asterisk equal. And now for this one, we can delete this asterisk equals 3. And then this one, we do it for 10. So asterisk equal 10. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.